Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to talk about a secret that I'm going to share with you on how to find employees in this challenging market. As you've probably already noticed that we started 2022 with a shortage in employees looking for work. There's only 6.3 million people looking for work and there's 11.3 million openings. So there's obviously a problem. And what we're looking in our service business usually are especially for the cleaning business, we're looking for people who are starting out and we have to train them. So they're not really quite untrained, but they are going to be trained soon. So those are the people we're going to look for with this strategy. And basically what it is from the Harvard Business Journal. And what they found is research done recently, that 1% increase in distance is associated to a 4.4% decrease in commuting. And what they found was people are more motivated to come and work for you and will pick you over other people if you're closer to them. So basically what the statistic does, I'm going to draw it out for you, is let's just say that you have a house or your office. It's in a central location and you want to get people from outside, say a 25-mile radius. Every time you move in 1% closer, the interest increases by 4.4%. So if you're looking in a 25-mile radius and you were to cut it down to, let's say, 50%, you're increasing the amount of people interested in working for you. So it's going to be a way for you to go ahead and try to get people locally and use sources locally. Let me show you this image also. This will help explain it a little better. So what I did was I put the statistics I just shared with you, the 1% that when you come closer increases by 4.4%. So basically this is just showing you how much the increase is. So this is moving from 1, this is percentage. If you keep moving closer, let's say you get 12% closer, all of a sudden you're at 60% increase in interest, which is just huge. So in order to build your good base of employees that you're going to get locally, you want to look at sources locally. I know Facebook used to have a jobs section till like end of February, but they don't have that now. But what you could do is post on your Facebook page. Also, the Facebook has some groups. You can join those groups and post on those help wanted groups. Also, there's other ways to do it, like Indeed. Indeed is a great place. If you can narrow it down to a certain area, like for example, if you live in the suburbs of Chicago and you live in Naperville, as an example, you want to look locally in Indeed in Naperville, so you don't want to go outside of that area. While taking Naperville as an example, you also want to consider the adjacent town. Like for example, if you're aware of Naperville, Aurora is right next to Naperville, and Aurora would be a great place for the Naperville people to advertise because a lot of the blue collar type people live in those areas, but they're so close together that it would be easier for you to get employees from there. So that's just an example of narrowing it down, and the more narrow you get, the more interest people have in working for you. So that's basically it. I just wanted to talk about that, and then I'll let you go. If you have any questions, please do comment below. I will check and respond. And also, just so you guys know, please subscribe and hit the bell because there's videos coming on how to compensate your employees. There's also a follow-up video on this, on how to grow your business, and the number one way to grow your business that probably most of you are not aware of. And I will be discussing that in the next video. Thank you very much and have a great day.